So we're moving on to perimeter today, and this is your task. So I'm just gonna do the first question so you understand how to start this. Give you some tips about other things as well, and then you should be able to do the rest of the task. So with perimeter and the area, I like to put the word patrol at the end because people get mixed up between the two. So I say to people, imagine you're on perimeter patrol. Well, what would that mean? You need to say this is a field in question A. If someone said, right, go on the perimeter patrol, where would you be patrolling? You'd be patrolling all along the outside of the shape. So you'd be asked to walk all along the outside. If I said, can't get another colour on here. Oh no, I can. If I said area patrol, which we'll come on to in another lesson, then where would I be asking you to go? Well, I'd be asking you to go along the area of this shape. So it'll be all the space inside it rather than on the outside. So we're focusing on perimeter today. So that means that I need to add up all of the lengths around the outside. What these are in A, B, C and D is these are centimetre grids. So I'm just going to get rid of the all of that so it's a bit clearer. So this distance here is 3 centimetres, this here is 2 centimetres, and then it's a rectangle, so I know that's 3 and that's 2. So I need to add all those up, so 3 add 3, and I can do that as my, so a bit of work in there. 3 add 3 is 6, add 2 is 8, add another 2 is 10. So my perimeter is 10 centimetres. So if I had to walk all along the edge of that shape, I'd walk 10 centimetres around it. Something I'll say next then, just to help you with the next few questions, is that this is a half a square gap there, and these little lines mean that they are the same. So this is a square, meaning that all those other lengths are 3 centimetres as well. The only question which we cannot do is question L, because we haven't done this, which is called expanding brackets yet. If you want to do it, then Google expanding brackets, and then you might be able to do it from there. But that's all I'd like you to do today. Okay, if you've got any questions, then please email.